so glad you came to watch my video today. So I'm Mrs. Galewski.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Allen.
Hi, I'm Miss Jessica.
And we're just going to put our mask on because when the teachers are at school, we have to wear our masks. We're going to put our mask on so you stay safe, okay? So I'm just going to show you around the classroom. All right, and here is our bathroom. So when you come into school, we might have you wash your hands at the sink, or we might have you use maybe a wipe to wipe your hands down. Okay, so we'll do that first before we start our day. Over here we have you might do a puzzle or pegs at the table. Or maybe you want to do some coloring. You could do coloring at the table or painting. Oh, and then I also think that everyone's gonna like, all the boys are gonna like the cars. So you could do cars on your first day of school, or you could play in the kitchen, all right? And here's where we're gonna have circle time. So you guys are gonna be able to sit in these colorful chairs for circle and sing songs and listen to books. And then over here we have our reading area, and you could take a break on the couch. If you had a long morning, you could take a break and you can look at a book. All right, I can't wait to see you. I hope you guys can make it to the drive-by meet and greet on Friday, tomorrow, from 9:30 to 10, so you can meet us in person. If not, I will see you on Tuesday at 9:30.